Hello and welcome to my shop. My name is George and I'm coming to you from Chelsea, Quebec. I've got a quick and dirty little tip for you on making curves, at least on drawing curves. So you've probably seen lots and lots of folks use a tin can or a bottle top, a jar top to make a radius. And that's good for a constant radius for an arc. If they need to be larger, you can take a thin stick, bend it, get a couple of nails to hold it in place as you push it to where you want it, and draw your curve again for constant radius. But what if you want a curve that has a changing radius, so it starts off tight and then gradually opens up? For that, you'd want to make your template or your pattern using a French curve. And typically what you've seen being done is the French curve is used to make a half template, and then the template is flipped over to make the other half, and then that gives you the shape of the curve for the whole template. I stumbled onto a quick and dirty little way of doing it without making an intermediate template. Now, if you have lots and lots and lots of these things to do, then of course you'd want a template. But if you only have one or two curves to cut out on the bandsaw, there's no need for the intermediate template. So I've taken my French curve, figured out roughly what I want, and then trapped it between a couple of winding sticks. And now I'll mark where I want my feet to be, so I'll have a foot starting here and another one starting there. Bring my template up using the winding sticks as fences. And draw about halfway, flip it over, come to this side, starting at the mark for the foot. And there's the pattern for cutting things out on the bandsaw. This is the procedure that I used to make these legs. These are legs for a mirror, and that's the method that I used to mark for the cutout on the bandsaw. Now, as I said before, if you have many of these things to make, you'll want to make a separate template. But if you only have one or two, this becomes a pretty handy, quick and dirty method to use. So that's it from me. Find some time to do what you love doing, and if you can share it, so much better. Bye from me.